If you look at problem number 1 on the worksheet, you're asked to write the complete ground state electron configuration for the element nitrogen. Now, a good first step for these problems is to just start out with writing out how many electrons are in the element you're trying to write. So nitrogen is atomic number 7, which means it has a total of 7 electrons. So when we're finished writing the ground state electron configuration for nitrogen, we should have a total of 7 for our superscripts. And so from here, you want to use your electron configuration cheat sheet and fill the orbitals in the order that they are presented to you in. So if you start out with the beginning, your first orbital is 1s. And s orbitals can hold up to 2 electrons, and so we're going to put 2 electrons there. So now we're 2 electrons in, and we need a total of 7, so we're going to keep going to the next orbital. The next orbital is 2s, and again, s orbitals can hold up to 2 electrons. Right now we only have 2, and so we need 7, so we're going to put in both of those 2 electrons. So right now we have a total of 4 electrons. So we're going to move up to the next orbital, which is 2p. Now 2p can hold a total of 6 electrons, but we don't need all 6 because right now we have 4 and we need a total of 7, and so 7 minus 4 is 3. And so our p orbital is only going to be halfway full because we only need 3 more electrons to have our total of 7. And so that's how you're going to do these problems. Just to make sure we're all on the same page and doing okay, we're going to do number 2 as well. So number 2 asks to write the ground state electron configuration for the element sodium. Now sodium, again, first step is to figure out how many electrons are in sodium. So if you look at the periodic table, sodium has an atomic number of 11, which means there are going to be 11 electrons total. So again, we start at the beginning. You start at your 1s orbital. S orbital can hold 2 electrons, and we need both of those. Next orbital is 2s, which can also hold 2 electrons. That gives us 4. So we need 11. And so 11 minus 4 is 7, so we need 7 more. So 2p, we're going to actually fill the 2p this time because a p orbital can hold up to 6 electrons. And so now if we really quickly count, we have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We need 1 more to get 11, and so we're going to move up to our next orbital, which is 3s. But instead of using both electrons, we only needed 1 more to get 11, and so we only put 1 more. And so this is our complete ground state electron configuration for sodium.